Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to record all your actions and activities on your computer screen. This built-in Windows application will capture each and every step you take during the recording session and will create a step-by-step guide with full text, links and annotated screenshots. It is a very good step-by-step guide and tutorial to train employees, streamline workflows and troubleshoot a problem properly. So without further delay, let's get started. First thing, you have to click on the start button and right here steps recorder. Open this app. Now you got this panel which has record button, stop record button, and you also have a add comment button, which I will show you how to use it later. So to record the steps, we have to press on the start record button. For example, if you want to show your friend how to change the icon of a folder, so right click on the folder, click on properties, customize, change icon, select the tree icon, and if you want you can add a comment here. I have written my comment and I'll just press on OK. Press OK here and then apply OK. After completing my process, I'll just click on the stop record button, and now we got all our steps recorded on how to change a folder. So you can send this file to your friend and it will be very easy guide for him on how to change the folder. So let's see. First steps, as you can see here, user right click on the change icon. Second, left click on the properties. User left click on customize tab over here. Step 4, change icon. Step 5, and this one was step 6. It records each and every step with the date and the time and the step number. And also you can see my comment here which I wrote. You can write your comment in any of the step you want. So first you got the graphical guide, and here you got the guide with the additional details. If you have found this video helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video.